Meaning of environmentally.
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 Environmentally. Environmentally refers to something related to the natural world and the impact human activities have on it. It encompasses the protection and preservation of natural resources, reduction of pollution and waste, and promotion of sustainable practices. Environmentalism is a global movement that advocates for the well-being of the planet and its ecosystems, recognizing the interdependence between people, animals, and nature. By prioritizing environmentally conscious practices, we can mitigate the negative impacts of climate change, ensure long-term ecological sustainability, and promote a healthier planet for future generations. This requires collective action and individual responsibility to make choices that prioritize the environment over short-term gains.